Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning step-by-step full guide. Start by building a strong math base and learning Python basics to manipulate data. Practice with simple projects and small datasets to see concepts in action. Follow structured tutorials, replicate known models, and read clear explanations. Schedule regular practice, track progress, and join communities to ask questions and get feedback along the way. In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning step-by-step full guide. Focus on hands-on practice with core algorithms and understand their strengths and limits. Train models on toy problems, inspect predictions, and debug errors methodically. Learn to evaluate performance using appropriate metrics and validation strategies. Gradually increase model complexity and compare simpler models versus deep learning when appropriate for your data and goals. In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning step-by-step full guide. Quick recommendation: read more easily with the new Kindle Paperwhite, great for textbooks and notes while studying models. If this guide helps, please subscribe, and consider checking the description for the product link and deals. Supporting the channel helps me make more clear tutorials and practical tips. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to learn machine learning step-by-step full guide. Build a repeatable workflow, clean data, create features, and run systematic experiments with clear tracking. Use notebook narratives for sharing and version control for collaboration. Practice deploying small models to see latency and scaling trade-offs. Iteratively refine models based on real usage and feedback, and keep learning from each deployment to improve both models and processes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.